Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NUGT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. So after today, a pretty crazy day. I say that because, again, each one of these represents 30 minutes, and that candle right there represents the opening 30 minutes. So at one point in time, the price opened there. The chart essentially looked like this. Big red candle that was falling in the upward, or I should say, excuse me, in the downwards direction. However, after that first 30 minutes was over, not only did the price, kind of head back up, it just kept heading up and almost closed at high of day. So a total kind of turnaround given where it initially opened up. Like I said, price fell, and then the price, had a very nice rebound. So this is not like some sort of secret discovery on my part or anything like that. So I don't want to come across like that. But the big question now in everybody's mind is, well, is this going to get some continuation? Is this, meaning this strong comeback from this morning, is this the start of something bigger? Is this going to be, kind of the first domino that falls for the week that just continues to carry the price upwards? And if indeed that's the case, then some levels of support are going to hold and some levels of resistance are going to fall in terms of, the price breaking through it. So let's map out a couple of these areas. First area is support. And the ideal level of support, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can now stay up above $13.70, that would certainly make the chart look the absolute strongest going forward. Now, if the price does drop below it, I'm not going to say that everything's ruined. But yeah, as far as, what's going to make this current move, the healthiest going forward, if the price can, if anything, pull back here, bounce around, and then start to head back up, that's certainly going to make things look the strongest, for the chart, as the week unfolds. Now, in terms of, breaking through levels of resistance, fighting through some previous battlegrounds, where are some of these residing at? First key battleground, going to be right here at the $14 mark, which you can see here, the price, I guess technically speaking, did close up above it, but only by 5 cents. So as far as I'm concerned, I'm still going to consider this a level of resistance because I want to see if the price can actually maintain the break and get a true break, which is not only breaking above the level, but then, like I said, being able to maintain above it. The big key level, though, is up there at $14.80. I say that if you look back through the history of the chart, you can see a big clump of history right there. Knocked it down, knocked it down, knocked it down, knocked it down. Hopefully you get the point. So I'm not saying that 1480 can't be broken. I'm just saying that according to the past history of the chart, apparently, the bulls are really going to have to bring their A game if they're going to fight through that area. So very interesting day. Nice comeback from the bulls in regards to that opening 30 minutes. So we'll see if this is the start of something bigger for the remainder of the week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.